The Titanic, a name synonymous with both grandeur and tragedy, embarked on its maiden voyage in the early 20th century. This colossal ship, built by Harland and Wolff, was a testament to human ambition, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in maritime engineering. It promised to be not just the largest, but also the most luxurious liner afloat, capturing the world's imagination with its blend of elegance and technological innovation. As the Titanic left Southampton for New York, the air was thick with excitement and anticipation. The ship's passengers, a mix of high society and hopeful immigrants, looked forward to a journey marked by comfort and style. However, amidst the opulence and celebration, an eerie rumor began to circulate. It was said that an ancient Egyptian mummy, laden with a curse, was hidden in the ship's cargo hold. This legend, woven from a tapestry of superstition and fascination with the occult, cast a shadow over the ship's bright journey, creating an undercurrent of foreboding. The voyage, initially smooth and uneventful, was a showcase of the Titanic's luxury. Lavish dinners, elegant soirees, and the finest amenities of the Edwardian era graced its decks. But this facade of serenity was shattered on the night of April 14, 1912. The Titanic, hailed as Unsinkable, struck an iceberg in the icy waters of the North Atlantic. The impact, though not immediately catastrophic, sealed the fate of the ship. The unsinkable Titanic was mortally wounded. In the face of impending doom, strange tales emerged. Passengers spoke of seeing mysterious lights in the sky, possibly northern lights, adding a supernatural hue to the night's events. These sightings fueled speculation about celestial influences playing a role in the disaster. As the ship began its descent into the abyss, the wireless operators, Jack Phillips and Harold Bride, emerged as unsung heroes. Their frantic Morse code messages, sent out into the dark, cold night, were desperate pleas for assistance. Later, some would suggest that hidden within these transmissions were secret codes or cryptic messages, perhaps indicating something more than just a call for help. One of the most perplexing aspects of the Titanic tragedy was the role of the Californian, another ship that was reportedly close by. Despite the Titanic's distress signals, the Californian did not come to its aid. This inaction spawned numerous conspiracy theories. Was the Californian involved in a larger, more sinister plot? Or was its failure to respond a catastrophic mishap? The inquiries that followed the disaster only deepened the mysteries. Captain Stanley Lord of the Californian faced scrutiny and controversy, his actions that night forever questioned. In the swirl of testimonies and investigations, a bold theory emerged. The Titanic had been swapped with its sister ship, the Olympic, as part of an insurance fraud scheme. Decades later, the discovery of the Titanic's wreck by Robert Ballard in 1985 brought the ship back into the public eye. The wreck, resting in the dark depths of the ocean, was a time capsule, holding within it the stories of those who had journeyed on it. Some believed that the wreck could provide evidence to support the various theories that had surfaced over the years, from the ship swap hypothesis to the enigmatic cargo it carried. In present times, the Titanic continues to captivate. It is not just a story of a ship that sank, but a narrative rich with human stories, technological hubris, and enduring mysteries. Its legacy is a blend of historical facts and the allure of the unknown, making it an eternal subject of fascination and speculation.